Agua de Jamaica, hibiscus iced tea. Ingredients: 2 quarts water, 3/4 to 1 cup sugar, depending on how sweet you would like it to be. 1 cup dried hibiscus flowers. Half cinnamon stick, optional. A few thin slices ginger, optional. Allspice berries, optional. Lime juice, optional. Orange or lime slices for garnish. Directions: boil water with sugar and spices. Put 4 cups of the water and the sugar in a medium saucepan. Add cinnamon, ginger slices, and/or a few allspice berries if you would like. Heat until boiling and the sugar has dissolved. Steep with dried hibiscus flowers. Remove from heat. Stir in the dried hibiscus flowers. Cover and let sit for 20 minutes. Strain. Strain into a pitcher and discard the used hibiscus flowers, ginger, cinnamon, and/or allspice berries. At this point you can store ahead the concentrate, chilled, until ready to make the drink. Add water. Add remaining 4 cups of water, or if you want to chill the drink quickly, ice and water, to the concentrate, and chill. Alternatively, you can add ice and chilled soda water for a bubbly version. Add a little lime juice for a more punch-like flavor. Serve over ice with a slice of orange or lime.